Good morning, guys. Here we are seeking alpha, looking at the latest meme coins in the trenches to see if we can find good old alpha. So here we see oodles. Apparently, it's literally just a meme. There's nothing special about it. Let's see if there's anything we can find of value here at all. Okay, let's get out of here. So this Zoodles looks like a terrible shard. If you see a shard like this, run for the hills. Get out of there. If it looks weird, to me this just looks really weird because first there's not a lot of liquidity, and also it just doesn't look organic. It doesn't look like there's a lot of people trading it, which makes it really dangerous because you can lose a lot of money. Also, check this. As you guys can see, it's not doing well. Okay, so let's see Slurf Season 2. Let's see if that's valuable at all, if there's anything there for trading. And in my opinion, guys, if you can't find something worth trading, look at that crap. If you can't find anything worth trading, guys, then don't trade. Scalp BTC, scalp ETH, scalp the big boys, the big coins, the ones that have tons of liquidity. It's probably a better bet than getting into one of these crap shoots because you're 100% going to lose money. So let's see. Robinhood. This is so cheesy, so corny. Let's see what it's even about. Robinhood colluded with Wall Street, so we're taking their market cap and giving it back to the people. Okay, that's cheesy as hell. There's no fundamentals. This is just crazy people having fun and stuff. Sometimes I get scared of the crypto community. It's so weird. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's search this thing. See how good or bad it actually is for trading. Crypto community is sometimes crazy, and you can find good opportunities and stuff. So if I can't see buying power volume, then it's not worth at all. So 147k versus 147k. So this is a 50-50 bet. I don't do 50-50. That's not good for scalping. So I'm out. 100% out. And always get out when there's more selling force than buying force. In this case, there's more selling force than buying force. So it's always going to go on a downturn and you're always going to lose money. So I learned that the hard way. So you don't have to. Okay, so skip the scrap. What is this? Penguin AI. Huh. Let's see if this is even worth the second of analysis. 180k, 180k, 50-50 roll, not worth it. It ain't not climbing up, guys. It looks like it's on an uptrend, but that's not guaranteed. However, I do believe this has just, nah, it just equalized. It's just people coming in and blasting it and stuff, but it's already at 2 million, so it's really unlikely it will go up. But we do see a volume spike here. We see that nice volume here and stuff, but It's a 50-50 right now. This one has some potential. I would trade this one, but I just don't feel like trading right now. Oh, look at that crap. That was scary. That could have been a dump. People could have lost everything on that one. So it was showing some signs of life. And then it's just now back to 50-50. So let's see if there's any fundamentals, anything of value. Even either way, it's already a 2 million market cap. So the possibilities of this even getting to 5 million are very scarce, very scarce. We see the volume dropping. We don't see the volume going up. So that's not a good sign, guys. Let's see the overall trend. So we are at seems like an all-time high. It's only gonna get worse from now. So you could be top blasting if you traded this thing. And honestly, this is a really weird chart. Whatever goes to a million market cap so fast, that's really sketchy. It's probably a dump. It's probably a dump. Very sure it is. So always look at the entire chart to prevent that crap. If you don't want to lose your money, that's it. If you want to lose money, then go ahead. Have fun. Do stupid stuff. So 180, 170K. So I'm pretty sure this is just going to go down. So bunch of selfish people in there. You're so 100% going to dump this very soon. So if you buy this, you're going to top last year, but you're going to buy the top and then you're going to cry to the bottom, which just sucks. So been there, done that, learned it the hard way, so you don't need to. So I'm out of this crap. Penguin AI. Does this even have any fundamentals to begin with? I think not. Let's take a look. Okay. Looks like 100% crap. Let's get out of here. And Robinhood, nah. Rub somebody else. Unblock AI. Let's see what this is about. Navigate the blockchain with Unblock AI, analyzing smart contracts, tracking transactions, and detecting scams in real life. That sounds right, but they're not even paying Telegram. They don't even have a review, so that sucks. Like, it sounds like they just talked to ChatGPT and that's it, and they came up with a nice idea, and that's it. It doesn't look like there's anything of value here, so if we go back, copy this contract, let's see if there's enough. Out of the bat right here, we see that not enough buying power. So it's certainly gonna drop. And this one's having some resistance. Not bad, not bad. It's holding out a little bit, but what money are you gonna make from 2 million to what? Certainly gonna drop very soon. You're at the top, so highly unlikely it will reach 5 mil. If a better coin appears, you lose your money. So heads up. Okay, guys. So here we are, and this is on Block AI. Let's see what's going on in here. This looks like a manufactured chart. It looks too perfect. Insider bought, insider bought, insider bought. Everyone bought. Inside developer sold. How many times the developer sold? God. Okay, so it went from 0 to 40K. That looks really unrealistic. Okay, so it's been growing and growing, and it looks like it has nice buying power. I don't know, guys, but this chart just looks too perfect for me. What do you guys think? I think it's just too perfect, too predictable. Looks like ChatGPT made this chart, honestly. So, again, same buying pressure, 50% of win rate. Not good enough for me. It looks too synthetic, too cyclical. Okay, guys, so if this is the resistance level and it's at this level, there's not really a lot of money to be made here. So, see the previous resistance levels. I mean, it's just a tiny little scalp trade. I don't see like there's huge potential here to make a big, like 50% gain or something like that. It really looks like it's all synthetic, all manufactured. This is insiders buying here. So they sold and then they bought again. And weird thing is they haven't sold. There's no selling yet. And yeah, volume's going down. So that's a bad sign, guys. Very probable that it's gonna dump real soon. So even though this checks, there's a really good chance the insiders are still in there. However, this one does look like you could somehow make some money if you bought the dip and then made some money when it went up a little bit, but we're talking about a very small spread, guys. Like, it's not even going to be 30%. So it seems like it's pretty hard to trade. And you guys see the volume's just going down. So if I bought this thing, I would have top blasted and for sure it will go down. So waste the money, waste the time. So as you guys see, it's just downtrending now. It's just about to die. So not a good one. I'm out. So Penguin AI, we already saw that. Real mess. So let's continue with our lives, shall we? Nothing interesting right now in the trenches. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Hope you guys are doing well. Please like and subscribe.